Hey everybody, so you may get a question on business process re-engineering, and you've got to be really sure on what that actually is. So it's a fundamental rethink and a radical design. So fundamental, radical, you're looking for that in the scenario. If it's not fundamental, if it's a small change, it's not a BPR, it's wasting your time. And it's of all business processes. It basically says, look at the whole business. It reduces the business down to processes rather than functions. And it's a fundamental and radical rethink of those processes where you say which ones add value, which ones don't. And the whole point is you achieve dramatic, not small, dramatic improvements in the contemporary measures of performance, such as cost, quality, service, and speed. That's the whole point. They're the four outcomes you're looking for. Critical, contemporary measures, dramatic improvements. And I want to go back to this business processes, just basically saying that, look, if you're now looking at the business set of processes, then it becomes a lot flatter, the organization. And therefore, you'll need a unified database that everyone can use and probably an enterprise resource planning system. But when you ever get a question on BPR, you're looking for all these things. Has all of this occurred? If it's not, you say so. If it has, you say so.